So Jesse here is the man in the know. So can you give me an overview of what it is and what are some of the features in Mastercam 2026 that help the end users?
Yeah, so Mastercam 2026, it's a really powerful piece of software. And there's probably too many features to mention in this one interview. But really it's about customer-centric problems and really solving those problems. And that's what we've done in Mastercam 2026.
Okay then, let's talk productivity then. How are you helping people increase their productivity?
A lot of nice little features in there. One of the big things is in OptiRough. So we've got constant depth. We can detect depths now, critical depths inside that toolpath, as well as tapered helixes in dynamic and in OptiRough. Really helps clear the chips out. Very powerful little features that really help tool life in Mastercam.
So let's talk functionalities now. Can you tell me about some of the enhancements that you're making?
Yeah, so a lot of it is on the turning or mill turn side. We've integrated some of the older toolpaths in Mastercam, the simplistic toolpaths, into our mill turn package, making it very easy for customers to do simplistic things on a complex machine.
So what I like and what you're telling me is you're listening to your customers, and it's those kind of little nuances of improvements where you're helping people.
Yeah, that was something that they've asked for, and we've delivered on it.
Let's talk workflow now. What does workflow mean to Mastercam?
So workflow is really using the software, right? How do you navigate your way through the software? And we've done a lot of things with Mastercam 2026 to do that. Some of it is the new levels and planes managers, and that's not just UI. There's some functionality in there too, a lot of enhancements to really make using those managers a lot easier. And then we've got the mill tool designer that really makes designing tools in Mastercam very integrated, very easy to use.
I hear that there's some AI integration in here, and does that align with CoPilot? So what is CoPilot?
Yeah, so Mastercam CoPilot, brand new for Mastercam 2026. We just released it July 1st of this year, with a more full release coming January of this year. Right now it's out to about 1,000 customers, end users, that are playing with it, and as we enhance it and go to that full release.
And what feedback have you had from that?
Yeah, it's very powerful. Like with any AI model, right? It needs work, it's going to get better and better, but you've got help functionality in there where you can search the knowledge base, get help to do any functions inside of Mastercam. And then there's also the CoPilot command. So the command allows you to actually launch features inside of Mastercam, and you can speak to it. It's got a microphone capability, so you can ask Mastercam to change the translucency of the model, and it can do that.
This is bonkers. It's the world of AI, isn't it?
It's pretty cool.
So can you give me a little bit of an overview of Mastercam and why everyone here who's watching should know more about this launch?
Yeah, so we talked about a few features. There's countless more that we didn't talk about, but really what makes Mastercam Mastercam is Mastercam Connect. So that is our maintenance program, but it allows us to connect to our users, to be a team with our users and really help them solve their problems through advanced knowledge base, through expert help that we have, really a teamwork thing.
I like it, it's like a two-way street.
It is, yeah.
Thank you, Jesse. And there you have it, Mastercam 2026.